Are your dispute letters ineffective? Discover what to send instead. Section 1. Introduction. If your dispute letters are not working, it may be because you're sending the wrong type of letters. Many people use generic form letters, which credit bureaus may not take seriously. Section 2. The hook. Understanding how to correctly format and personalize your dispute letters can lead to better results. Recent changes in how credit reporting agencies review these letters mean that your approach needs to adapt. Section 3. The T's. Learning a new way to create dispute letters can increase your chances of success in correcting your credit report. Using unique fonts and specific formats can help ensure your letters are taken seriously by the agencies. Section 4. The Reveal. Handwriting font. Use a handwriting font for dispute letters to make them appear more personal. This helps to trigger a manual review instead of an automatic process. Where to get fonts? Visit websites like 101fonts.com to download a handwriting font. This method makes your letters stand out, reducing the chance of being dismissed as generic. Use different paper. Print your dispute letters on yellow paper. This approach further distinguishes them from typical correspondence and may prompt more personal attention. Section 5. Teach and trust. Using personalized letters that reflect your unique situation is crucial. This method can help ensure your disputes are seen and handled properly, leading to better outcomes. Section 6. Problem and empathy. Many individuals struggle with ineffective credit disputes. This can be frustrating, especially when dealing with financial issues and incorrect information on credit reports. Section 7. Action. To improve your credit score, avoid sending form letters. Instead, create personalized dispute letters using the strategies discussed. Consider using a P.O. box for privacy, and ensure you follow up with the credit reporting agencies when necessary.